Are you tired of feeling like you are falling short of your goal? Do you often find yourself getting stuck in negative patterns that hinder your success? It's time to break free from this habit and start achieving the success you deserve. In this video, we will highlight 10 negative habits holding you back from achieving success and how to overcome them. Let's get started. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. In life, we often find ourselves entangled in habits that hinder our spiritual and personal growth. Negative habit is like a man who carries a heavy burden on his back, preventing him from experiencing the true freedom and joy. As he journeyed, he discovered that his burden represents his negative habits and inner struggle. Only when he let go of this burden was it able to embrace a life of purpose and fulfillment. Bad habits can have a profound negative impact on a person's life. They can lead to decreased productivity, missed opportunities, and even health problems. If one desires to live a meaningful, fulfilled life with purpose, it is important to be aware of this behavioral addiction and take steps to break bad habits and develop healthy ones. Here are 10 negative habits holding you back from achieving success and useful tips on how to break free from them. 1. Shifting blame. One of the most counterproductive habits that hinder personal growth and success is the tendency to blame others for our own mistakes and failure. When we engage in the blame game, we shift responsibility away from ourselves and onto external factors or individuals. This habit can be damaging because it prevents us from acknowledging our own shortcomings and learn from our own mistakes. Blaming others is often a defense mechanism. It shields our self-esteem from the blow of failure, but it also traps us in the circle of denial. We may find ourselves constantly pointing fingers at colleagues, friends, or circumstances instead of taking an honest look at our own actions and decisions. It's tempting to shift blame off our own shoulder. When we accept responsibility, we gain the power to make a positive change and learn from our own mistakes. To overcome this habit, begin by reflecting on situations where you have been quick to place blames externally. Ask yourself what role you played in this situation and what you can do differently next time. It is essential to foster a mindset of accountability where you actively seek solution and improvement rather than a scapegoat. Number 2, procrastination. The productive trap. Delaying tasks and obligations is one of the most common bad habits. Procrastination is the thief of time and an enemy of progress and success. The habit is a common challenge that many people face, often with serious consequences. Whether it's putting off work projects, household chores, or personal goals, the habit of procrastination can have a significant negative impact on our lives. Putting off tasks until the last minute can cause unnecessary stress and prevent you from achieving your goals. To overcome this habit, stop delaying important tasks and start taking actions. Set yourself deadlines and prioritize your goals. Remember, tomorrow is not promised. Number 3, not taking care of your health. So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend the wealth to regain their health. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Run while you can. To accomplish your goals and aspirations, you must first be in a good health. Unfortunately, many people disregard their health state, working day in and day out without caring for their health and well-being. Letting yourself fall into the bad health habits such as eating poorly, not exercising, or not getting enough sleep will leave you mentally and physically exhausted, stressed, and prone to illness. This can have a real impact on your ability to perform. You will be focused and productive when you feel well. Always remember the importance of exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, eating well, and most importantly, go for regular checkups. Number 4, lack of organization can lead to stress, decreased productivity, and a sense of being overwhelmed. Constantly struggle with disorganized work can lead to lack of motivation. It may be difficult to see progress or feel a sense of accomplishment when everything feels scattered. Lack of organization can make you appear unreliable or unprofessional to colleagues, clients, or supervisor. When you are not organized, it's difficult to focus on tasks because your work environment is clustered. Constantly looking for misplaced items or documents can waste time and create frustration. Without proper organization, tasks can take much longer to complete because you may spend a lot of time figuring out what needs to be done next. To overcome this issue, implement organizational strategy like creating to-do lists, using planning tools, setting clear goals, and maintaining a clean and orderly workspace can significantly enhance your efficiency and effectiveness, paving the way for greater success. Number 5, waiting for the perfect time. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. It's a common trap that people fall into. We wait for the perfect time to start. Various entrepreneurs are at the top of their field, and this is so because they haven't waited for the perfect time. It's not about the perfect time, it's about making the time perfect. So for being successful, one should understand that there is no perfect time to start, because if you wait, you are going to miss many opportunities. Stop waiting for the perfect time and start working towards your goal and dream. The most relevant is the fact that we can achieve our goals sooner than later. The sooner we begin any journey, the sooner we reach our destination. Begin to act on your plans today. Number 6, staying in the comfort zone. Staying in the comfort zone prevents you from taking necessary risks that may enhance happiness and future. A comfort zone is just a clever disguised cage holding you back from achieving your true potential. However, the best employees know the need to take risks from time to time. Challenging yourself to take a new project and trying different things will impress your peers, even if you don't always succeed in your goals. Every failure is a chance to learn and grow in your field. Trying new things in the workplace improves the chance to strive in your career. Successful ones should choose the path of discomfort rather than staying in the comfort zone. Number 7, aiming for perfection. Winners take imperfect actions while losers are busy perfecting their plans. Perfection is the enemy of success. Perfection is the desire to avoid failure. Success often includes failure along the way. Perfection leads to frustration. The need to be perfect is a sign of insecurity. Perfection is a waste of time. It requires a lot of time and effort, more time and effort than the end result. Remember that the person who pressurizes you the most is yourself. Be kind to yourself and practice self-acceptance by lowering unrealistic standards you set for yourself. Number 8, not having a budget. Without a budget, you may not have a clear understanding of your financial situation, including income, expenses, debt, and savings. This can lead to overspending and financial stress. Without tracking your spending, you might make a poor financial decision, such as unnecessary purchase or failing to save for important expenses, which can hinder your goals. Not having a budget can lead to accumulating debt, as you may rely on credits to cover expenses. This can create a cycle of debt that is hard to break and can negatively impact your financial health. Without a budget, you might miss out on investment opportunities or financial goals like buying a house, starting a business, traveling, because you haven't planned for them financially. Having a budget helps you plan for long-term goals such as retirement and investment. It helps you set and track financial goals. It provides a sense of control and peace of mind. If you stick to good money habits, you will have a few money anxiety, so you may devote your time and energy to the things that really matter. Number 9. Comparing yourself to others. Social media platforms often present a detailed and curated version of people's life, leading to constantly desire to compare ourselves with others. This can affect self-esteem and cause mental distraction, making it hard to concentrate on tasks. The biggest roadblocks are the ones we set for ourselves. Don't compare yourself with others. You are unique. Everyone is struggling in their own ways. So be happy in what you have. That is the biggest gift you can give to yourself. The key to overcome this habit is to focus on your journey and celebrate your success and accomplishments, no matter how little. Recognize that everyone has their own timeline, and path and success look different for everyone. Focus on setting your own goals and working towards them, rather than trying to live up to someone else's standard. Trying to be someone else is a waste of the person you are. It will only dim your light and diminish the unique contribution only you can make. Number 10. Social media distractions. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter constantly feed us with new updates, notifications, and messages, diverting our attention from important tasks. We often find ourselves spending excessive time scrolling through the news feed or engaging in online conversation instead of focusing on work or other responsibilities. By limiting social media usage, setting boundaries, and practicing effective time management techniques, we increase productivity and reduce distraction caused by social media. If you don't separate yourself from distractions, your distractions will separate you from your goals and the life you want. The future depends on what you do today. Making right choices and having right and relevant habits help successful people to achieve their goals. Bad habits are like comfortable bed, easy to get into but hard to get out of. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. A nail is driven out by another nail. Habit is overcome by habit. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.